Hi, I'm Crystal, and today I will present my topic, which is air quality. And the main idea of my speech is I will talk about how to resist smoke. And let's start. For the air quality problem, the first thing I should to talk about is the causes and some background. And next step should be solving methods. And finally, I will talk about defending health. According to some research and news from the internet, I find that there are 19% toxic gas and pollution comes from human activities, and the rest of 10% come from natural emissions. Here is a pie chart about PM 2.5 average emissions in Beijing, and from the graph we can see the coal occupies the most part from in the graph, and the second one is car, followed by catering and industries. In fact, in 2013, there are only 25 provinces and 100 plus cities facing this kind of air quality problem. But 3 years passed in 2016, there are nearly 300 cities are facing this kind of serious problem, which is unbelievable. So, to fix out this problem, the scientists came out a lot of solving ways. The first one is using clean energy to instead of the traditional energy, such like coal or oil, which will produce the toxic gas which could damage the environment. So we usually use the hydroelectric power and wind power, solar energy to instead of the traditional energy. The second way is air purifiers. A Japanese company discovered a new kind of air purifier which you could carry in your pocket. The working principle of air purifier is that the machine will send the ion which is negative charge, and as we know, the dust and smoke has a positive charge. When they attract each other, the positive and the negative charge will ion will combine together. As a result, the dust will become very heavy. Then it will fall on the floor. What we need to improve is to make the power of the machine become larger. Then we can use it to resist smoke and hazards. Finally, the important point is the anti-smoke masks, which is the most popular way in China to resist the smoke. So for our healthy, we need to use this kind of mask when we need to go outside. The structure of the masks is air purifier, polymer fabric, activated carbon. For the first two materials, the function of them is resist the large particles, and even there are few of the tiny particles enter them into the masks, the activated carbon will absorb the toxic particles. In fact, this kind of technology still improving, but now we could choose this mask to protect ourselves, to protect our body. So there are lots of different kind of masks, and you could choose your own mask to in different situation. Here is my reference. Thank you.